Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add background to videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to be using this video. Just going to add it to track, and I am going to scale it down, and then I am going to scroll down and find fill. And you're going to select from these choices. There's blur, which is like this, like the blurred version of the video as like the background. Color, which is just plain basic color. And lastly, we have style, which has these images and like drawings and stuff and shapes and other colors and even like pictures, as you can see. But yeah, that is it. I think you can also use it for cutouts. If I choose auto cutout, yeah, you can also use it if you pressed auto cutout. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!